Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Hisam Academy. It's me, Sumul Rizvi, once again, an English language fluency expert. So, because you know that in Karachi, Pakistan, it's winter here and kids are enjoying their winter vacations. So, that's why today I just thought to do something fun and exciting with my kid. So, that's why today I and my little helper, Hiba Fatma, we are going to make French toast. It's super duper easy recipe so your kids can easily join you. Furthermore, throughout the process along the way, we will gonna learn some of the useful English expressions that you can easily use whenever you are trying to cook something or to make something with your kids. So let's grab your ingredients because we are going to have a blast today in this video. So let's get started. So when we are in the process of preparation or when we are cooking something or trying to make something, so we always say this thing like, let's get everything we need to make French toast. Like for example, we need sugar, we need eggs, we need milk, and we need bread as well. So Hiba Fatma, can you please get the bread from the fridge? Will you?
Yes,
Who is that? Okay, Hiba Fatma, so where's the bread?
here's the bread.
Here is the bread. Thank you so much. So first thing first, because first we need to wash our hands, and after that we need a bowl. This is the bowl, and we need a whisk, and then we need a spatula. Hiba Fatma, please. Thank you so much. This is the spatula that we need, and we need a frying pan as well. So as you can see that because we are preparing French toast, so here are the 2 eggs that we have, and Hiba Fatma, be very careful with the egg because they can break very easily. Okay, so be careful with that. So these are some of the expressions you can use. You can always give instructions to your kids that be careful with something that can break easily. Okay, Hiba Fatma, so have you washed your hands?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So Hiba Fatma, now first we need to crack 2 eggs. Okay? So here you can see that here are the 2 eggs. So can you please crack these 2 eggs into the bowl and be very careful. Don't let the eggshell fall in, right? Okay guys, because you know that Hiba Fatma, she is just 5 years old, so that's why she doesn't know how to properly crack the eggs. So that's why today I will gonna help her that how to crack the eggs. Okay? Okay, Hiba Fatma. Right. So we first of all do it, just a sec. Do it like this, right?
It will crack from here.
And then you need to just crack it like this, right? And this is the eggshell that we have, so we don't let the eggshell to fall in, right? Very good. Just break it. Very good. Like a little bit force. Give it to me like this. Okay guys, so we are done with the cracking part, and it was like hell difficult and daunting task. So now Hiba Fatma, it's our turn to throw these eggshells into the bin. Okay guys, so we are done with the cracking part. Okay Hiba Fatma, we are also done with the cracking part, and now it's our turn to add our ingredients. So now first of all we need to add a half a cup of milk, right? So first of all we will add it. And then
I will.
okay, you will, right? Half a cup, right? And then we will add it. After that, we need to add a tablespoon of sugar like this. Come on, one, right? So now we are done with the ingredients, and now it's mixing part. So we need to whisk it, right? Yes, and this is what we have. This, what do we call it? This is a whisk. Okay, so now we need to whisk it. Come on, let's mix all the ingredients together. Okay, yeah, but first I need to teach you. Not like this, baby. We do it like very good. So you are doing it well. Just a little bit more. Very good. Make sure that the milk and the egg and the sugar, they all are mixed together and combined together. Okay, baby girl, you are doing a great job, by the way. It's really, really important to appreciate your child whenever they are doing anything, so that they would be encouraged and they would continue doing the same thing. No, it's not actually done. You need to keep whisking it. Okay, let me show you that how do we actually whisk it, because I can still see that yellow portion. What do we call this yellow portion of egg? Egg yolk. Okay, this portion is egg yolk. Very good. You're doing a great job. Keep whisking it. Come on. It's time to take the bread, because usually like we don't like these corners. So first of all, I will cut these corner with the help of knife, and because this is a risky task, so that's why obviously I won't allow Hiba Fatma to cut the corners with the knife. But first of all, we need to cut the corners with the knife. Okay guys, so as you can see that the corners of this bread, they are almost cut, and now Hiba Fatma, we need to dip these slices of bread into the mixture, okay, and make sure that it is soaked well, because this is the most important thing and most crucial part of this whole process, right? So make sure that it is soaked and dipped well and properly. Okay baby, very good. Now come on, dip it. Okay, so as you can see that Hiba Fatma is totally busy in dipping the bread into the mixture, and because this is very crucial part, because obviously the bread is obviously very lightweight, so it can break from the middle. So that's why she is busy in doing that. So I am also waiting her to finish. Okay guys, so the next step that we need to do is to heat the pan. So now as you can see that the pan is heating, and now we need to add a little bit butter in that, and after that we need to start working on that. Okay, so now as you can see that it's butter and it's almost melting. So now we need to wait almost for like 30 seconds or 1 minute, right? So to allow it to completely melt down properly. Okay, so now it's time to place bread in the pan very gently and very carefully, and make sure to cook each side for 2 minutes. You can see that I have placed the bread in the pan, and now we need to allow it to cook for 2 minutes on each of the sides. Now we need to flip it using a spatula, and this is called a spatula. Now we need to flip it very carefully. So make sure to cook it on a medium flame, otherwise it will get burnt. So meanwhile our French toast is getting ready, is getting prepared. So let's have a quick chit chat with Hiba Fatma. Okay Hiba Fatma, so what are we preparing today?
A small French toast.
Okay, a small French toast. Very good. So can you please tell me what are some of the ingredients of French toast? What do we need?
A butter.
Okay.
Of milk.
A milk. Not a milk. Milk.
Milk.
Okay.
And
bread. Obviously we need bread.
Bread.
Good.
And eggs.
Eggs. Very
and
good. Sugar.
Sugar.
Very good. So these are the ingredients that we need to make French toast. Okay guys, so as you can see that our French toast is ready. So let's put it out on a plate. And one more important thing, like if you want to add any fruit on the top, so you can, and it actually tastes very delicious. Okay guys, so as you can see that this is the French toast, and Hiba Fatma made it. So it's time to taste it, and let's see that how it turned out. Okay Hiba Fatma, so now taste it and please tell me that how it turned out. Yes, come on. Yes, you can have it. Very good. It's really hot, isn't it? It's really hot? Yeah, it is really hot. Okay, Hiba Fatma, so how was it?
It is very delicious.
Yes, and you made it, right? So you did an amazing job. Amazing guys. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you found it helpful and you really enjoyed watching it. So this video was not only helpful to teach your kids English language or the basic English expressions to use with them, but this is also gonna teach them the basic cooking skills and the importance of the teamwork. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you found it helpful. If you like this video, so don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.